guys, my name is Jen. Welcome to my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm very happy to have every single one of you here. Today I'm going to share with you a Sunday version of what I eat in a day / day in a life type video. I am not quite sure what I'm going to be up to. We are getting ready to head out and pick up Ava now from an overnight that she had with Campus Life. We've got Chulo in the back who's very excited to see her. And then maybe a grocery haul, and then Ava has a roller derby camp that we're going to this afternoon. So who knows what we'll be up to in between. But anywho, I'm going to post a picture of the coffee that I had when I woke up this morning right here. And I'm going to snack on this pear on our way to get Ava. So I completely skipped breakfast this morning. As soon as we got back from picking up Ava and running to the grocery store, I laid down and fell asleep again. Yay for days off, because that's what they're good for, right? But anyways, I just made myself some lunch, so I'm going to turn this camera around and show you what I'm having. All right, so I've got my lemon yogurt for 2 points with frozen blueberries. 1 thing of string cheese, yes, just one. I'll have the other one later. This is also 2 points. And then I'm trying my Joseph Pita Pockets. I cut it in half. Let me see if I can make this work. In here, I made some, oh my gosh, guys, apparently I'm not coordinated. It's hard to see. I made like a little light chicken salad. It's just some of that canned chicken with 1 tablespoon of light mayo and some onion salt. And then I put some spring mix down at the bottom and some of my Roma tomatoes from my last grocery haul. So, chicken salad was 1 point because of the mayonnaise. The half a pita pocket was 2 points. So this lunch is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. Not too bad, and it should fill me up. I needed to get out of the house. So Steve is driving us to Scooters, which is our local drive-through coffee shop, so we can get some drinks. And so Chulo's gonna get his pup cup finally, huh, Chulo? Are you getting your pup cup? You are? That's great news. We're so excited for you. All right, I'll show you what I get after we get there. Okay, guys, well, your dog demolished his pup cup in like 2 seconds. He did drop one of the dog treats on the floor, so we'll get that when we get home. They gave him an extra one. Oh, he's checking the cup, trying to get more. Did you find more, Chewy? Anywho, I got a London Fog Latte. I'm sure you guys are surprised. London Fog Latte, if you're not familiar with it, is Earl Grey tea. I got mine made with almond milk and then sugar-free vanilla syrup with no whipped cream on it. So this, I believe I usually count it as 1 point, but there really isn't anything in here that's worth any points. I just feel like it tastes so good that it should count for something. So 1 point for this. Steve, you want to tell them about your drink?
Mine is a peanut butter crunch blender.
How many points?
Probably about 30.
Just kidding. I have no clue, and I never will because I won't drink that. But it does look really good. So
yeah, it'll go straight to my hips, but I'll burn it off at track practice. So,
anyways, let's move past that. I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Okay, I am just not real hungry today, so I'm going to kind of make myself eat a little bit of a snack, get some protein in. Here I have 2 soft boiled eggs with a little bit of mustard on them. And then I'm going to try one of my new Light and Fit protein yogurt drinks. This is a mixed berry flavor. It is 1 point. So this entire snack is 1 point and at least 10 grams of protein. I don't know how many grams of protein eggs have. But anyways, it's a protein-filled snack. All right, here is my quick grocery haul. Steve and the kids needed some bread. I needed 2 things of these Thomas Light English muffins. I have 1 at home and 1 at work. These are 2 points apiece. This is a new flavor of the Light and Fit protein drinks. or yogurt drinks. This is mixed berry. These are 1 point apiece. Then got the girls some light vanilla yogurt for their smoothies. This is 1 cup for 4 points, just in case you couldn't see it. Ava is getting ready to start a Derby Girls program here in town, so she needed a mouth guard. I got 2 things of the Oikos 000 lemon yogurt. These are 2 points apiece. These are new for me, but I've seen lots of other people get them. These are the Joseph's pita bread. It is a half of a pita for 2 points, or 1 whole pita for 4 points. I'm planning to make some chicken salad to put in these. Needed some more broccoli for my stir fry. This is my go-to bread. This is the Live Carb Smart 5-seed bread. I don't know if it's live or live, but I love this bread. It is my favorite, and it is 2 slices for 2 points. Needed some more string cheese. This is 1 for 2 points or 2 for 3, so you know I always eat the 2. And then I needed a new candle for the kitchen, so I got sweet sugared lemon. That is everything for my little haul. Thanks for watching. Okay, Ava. We're on our way to Derby Girls. You ready?
No, I'm tired.
You're tired because you were up all night, perhaps?
Yeah. Chuck E. Cheese.
Tell everybody what your name's going to be.
I have no clue.
Oh, your dad picked one for you.
What did you pick, Dad?
Sparkles.
Really? Did you actually put it on there?
Mm-hmm.
Dad!
I told him you wouldn't want that name.
Well, that's better than what I was gonna put. I was gonna put down Princess Sparkle Farts.
Well, it says tall on my bracelet.
Maybe they'll let you change it.
Yeah, you'll probably get to change it. That's nothing on there was permanent.
We'll see you there. Alright guys, future Jen here. Obviously, the sun is up and I don't look anything like I did in the last video. The reason for that is because I wasn't going to post the video because I wasn't happy with the way my day ended up. But then Steve politely pointed out that, first of all, it wasn't a terrible day of eating. I mean, you guys saw I pretty much had no appetite all day long. I'm not quite sure why. At this point in the video, I have consumed I have consumed 10 points worth of food. So what happened, and the reason I didn't want to post it is because my appetite finally kicked in and I was starving. And I tried to prevent this. You guys saw I had like a little high protein snack, and yeah, so we went to Ava's Derby Girls thing, which she did fantastic at. I'm so proud of her. She's so brave. I don't know where she gets it because I'm a chicken. But anyways, then when we left, we decided to go out and eat. Well, I didn't make the best food choice, but it wasn't terrible. It was a very, very high point meal. And I used some of my weeklies, which you guys know I normally don't. And I think that's why I'm struggling with it. But I get 29 points a day. So I had 19 points left. We ended up going to Skyline Chili. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that. We just got one here in Indiana, but I grew up eating there because my stepdad is from Ohio. It is a pretty popular restaurant in Ohio, so I knew exactly what it was, and I was really excited to have one here. And I'll be honest, we went, and I didn't care what the points were. I was just going to eat it because I was in a mood for it. So I did. And the total for my meal was 27 points. And like I said, I wasn't going to post this video. Steve reminded me that nobody has a perfect day of eating and everybody's day looks different, and that this was a good learning experience to share with you guys. perfect example of how a non-perfect day is still okay. Because like I said, I did not have 23 points left. I had 19 points left for the day. My meal was 27 points, which means I used 8 of my weeklies, and that's okay. That's why it's there. And honestly, my weeklies reset the next day, so it wasn't a huge deal, but it was just really difficult for me for some reason. Let me know down below, do you guys use your weeklies every week, or is it a struggle for you to want to use those? So, not a bad day of eating. It was just a weird day of eating for me, and it's definitely a day I think was worth sharing with you guys. So I ended up eating 37 points altogether today. Like I said, I get 29 points a day. 8 of those were weeklies, and I'm going to be okay with that. That's where my day ended, and it's not terrible. Not terrible. It is okay. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to go ahead and let you go. If you have any questions or comments, nutritional information, just questions about me or my day or, whatever, because I like to chit chat, go ahead and leave them down below and I will get back with you. Guys, if you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. We're really getting our subscriber numbers up there, guys, so thank you so much. Every time you hit that like button, it lets YouTube know that you guys are enjoying my content, so they continue to promote my videos and we grow our YouTube family. Speaking of YouTube family, guys, I'm looking at my stats for YouTube and it says about half of you guys aren't subscribed. If you made it this far in the video, clearly you can handle my chaos, even though today was a calmer day. So just click on that little picture of me down in the corner. Hit the little bell next to it that says all notifications, which means you'll be part of my YouTube family and you'll be notified every time I post a new video. All right, guys, thank you again for watching. I truly appreciate every single one of you. I hope you all have a fantastic week. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye, guys.